Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you are an old member, thank you for coming back. Like the video, share, don't forget to comment. Tell us what you think about the video in the comment section. I will respond to you. Let's share ideas. Guys, I have come again to show us what is going on, the latest in Biafra Liberation Army, what is happening, what they said, and what they're about to do. These guys are warriors. They have vowed to do the needful to protect our land. I want to use this opportunity to thank all the Biafran people. I want to thank Simon Ekpa and the Biafra Government in exile, all the cabinet members. I throw a salute. I thank you all guys for what you are doing. The whole world is seeing the good work that you guys are putting in place. Guys, here is the Biafra Liberation Army commander. Hear what he said in this video and tell us what you think. It is very important. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys.
I hate to do it. You are the one doing it yourself. The vice president of this Zualocha country, and he not the one visiting the Boko Haram? You don't ask yourself a question. Now, Tinubu is here, Jagaban of the nation, the father of Ado, Papanda Agboro. Are you not aware? Are you people not aware of what I'm saying? The father of Agboro, he is here now, celebrating Yorubas, and you are here killing your people. You are here planning a way to scatter the life of your youth, the grown-up world. Do you think that we don't know what to do? Do you think that we don't have something I had to do in life? At least I was once a soldier man. Look at me today. I'm fighting for my freedom. And that freedom all I know. And Biafra must be our nation. Because Biafra is my nation. I strongly believe these days, before God and Mama, I will cut here, I will cut the hand. Come go to the reality. I must cut off the hand. That's one thing I believe. And I strongly believe that Chukwu Biama, Yagalero, Gozierani, Madudika Simon Ekpa. Say, Ekakarali Weko, Wanicha Lulicha, Adala Wajala, Owo Glofoki de Jawa. Owo Nanya Cheleti Chagalu Gausa, Sinda Sakwalia, Hatera Yabuchaku or Igbos. And Owo Nanya Jabala, Sinda Sakwalia or Yoruba Kwalia. And that's right with Omunai. Mandina now, little Maumuna, and little Agalima. You say, Ekakarali Weko, Egalano Balaka, you say, Egaloya, you say, Galalapo, you say, Galampo, you say, Simon Ekpa must live for us. Say, Omoka, Nino Yeshua Toya, you say, you say, Omoka Nino Yeshua to Madudika, Igua Putoso, Okenwa, La Ibo Babu. You say, I didn't wear you.